Hey, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This boat's featured in Kingfisher Teal with the black bottom. Complements really well with this dune interior. We have the black powder coated power tower to boot, along with your 350 horsepower MerCruiser engine. Come on board and take a closer look. All right, welcome aboard the 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX. All right, starting back here, we've got our freshwater washdown. We've got our rear audio controls, some additional charging features, cup holders. But here's one of my favorites. We've got our three-way battery switch in there with shut off. Large swim platform with fold down swim step. Lots of great functions. Your hidden ladder, all covered by SeaDek, so everything back here is usable and very, very comfortable. Storage throughout as we enter into the cockpit area here. Perfect place for shoes. We do have this fold down backrest here. Very adjustable. Now as we enter the cockpit, this is going to be one of my favorite areas in the boat. Plenty of area for social functions. And then we've got our engine compartment here, 6.2 liter Seacor MerCruiser 350. Beautiful engine, sounds incredible, incredibly quick too. We do have a table holder here. There is one in the bow also. This boat is equipped with 2 tables for that social component. Lots of deep storage in here, fenders, tubes, anything that you can think of. More storage throughout. Now there's a lot to this boat, so I highly recommend coming in to see us for a test drive to go over everything in all the detail that you want. Now as we move up here to the helm station, we've got our adjustable bolster and then our adjustable backrest too. So when this is up, you have plenty of space for everybody in this area here. Now we've got our twin 9-inch Simrad, our Lenco trim tabs, and you can see we've got speakers throughout this boat here. On our binnacle, we've got our digital throttle and shift with active trim, in-floor storage, and again, just more flexibility here with this cockpit area, expanding that space for you. Your guest, co-pilot, co-captain's going to have an adjustable bolster as well. One of the primary features of this boat that really separate it in its class is this head compartment here. It does have filler cushions, so you can use this space. It's great to get out of the sun for even a few minutes. And it does have a sink down there as well. Additional storage here. You can see this is super clean. We've got our brand new teak tables still in the wrap. Currently we have the windshield closed as we enter the bow. So we open up our door here. That's perfect for those colder days. Keep that wind right out of the cockpit. And we're going to move forward into the bow where you can see the seating in the SDX. You have so much space up here. Lots of room for everybody. Storage in every possible compartment here. Anchor system up front, very easy to use. But you can see from the Kingfisher Teal to the dune interior, the black power tower, dual 9-inch Simrads. This boat is absolutely amazing. I highly encourage you to come on out and see us. Again, my name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and this has been the 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX.